Alright, so this week I basically fixed some of the collision issues I was having last week after making the game isometric. I created this collider here that I'm popping up, and as you can see, the mineral count went up when I was mining that resource node. I also implemented a different type of block over here. It's just a regular, what I would call like an earth block. That's just literally something to block the player's path that they would have to drill to get through. It doesn't give you any minerals, it's more of a puzzle element. And I also implemented this enemy here that I had before. Before I used to have like these little portals kind of thing, like these little holes that they would crawl out of if you mined too close. I kind of decided that I'm gonna keep that element, but I kind of want the monsters to just kind of roam around and do their own monster things. So stuff like attack other monsters if they get too close, so they'll be territorial. Um, so I implemented a basic little state machine with this one. So right now it's going from you see this little flashing here indicates the current state. So it's going from this wandering to idle. That's a little flash there. It's turning into a 0, and then as soon as it hits idle, it goes and picks a new direction to move in, and it's just going to keep moving back and forth for now. So that's why you get the little 1, which is wandering, and then 0 to hit idle, and then in idle it goes back to wandering. Now, as soon as I get close to this enemy, it should change the state and start following me. Yeah, there we go. So we see it here. It's not gonna actually follow actual path planning. Um, I don't know if I want to do that for next week or the week after. I would really like to get more of the block mechanics that I have in mind and sort of create the elements that I would need for a basic level. And then on top of that, I would like to then add all the monsters to create it, to make it seem like more of a fleshed out world. That way I can have the monsters interact with the puzzle elements as well as the player interact with both the puzzle elements and the monster. I think that'd be a very cool mechanic. Alright, so that's it for this week. I'll see you guys next week. Bye.